Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones. All right, we are looking at a set of AirPods Max headphones, and we're going to do an earpad installation. This is super, super easy. These earpads are magnetized, and they simply just pull straight off like that. Simples. One thing to note is that the earpads can fit normally, upright, but they also can fit the opposite way, so you have to make sure you have them correctly. And they will go on the opposite side as well, so there's no reverse magnetism stopping the right from going on the left and the left going on the right, like that. So the only other thing to mention is that if you do wear these for a long period of time, there was a buildup of moisture that can happen on the inside of the headphone, so you might want to check that out. So what I mean is, I think I wore them for 4 hours straight, just doing some work and listening to music, and there's a buildup of water in this area here. So you're going to want to wipe that out before you put them away. There looks to be some plastic underneath this gray area, which should cover the speaker from the water if it were to try and get in, but you never know. But yeah, this was, I think these have been out for about 4 years, or at least 3 years, and this was noticed when they first came out.